Hi there! I have a quick Service Monster hack for you. Did you know that Service Monster's grids are totally customizable? Yep! So check this out. Now, of course, you have the usual filters and search bar up along the top with easy column resizing capabilities. But we also have this handy button over on the right. This More Options button allows you to export a CSV file of all the information in the columns you choose, restore defaults back to the default settings, or unlock the advanced options. Now, this is where it gets fun, because the advanced options allows you to individually filter search each column and use the columns button to select which grid columns you want from a complete list of options. Then click Apply, and you'll see exactly what you want in your grid and nothing more. Now remember, you want to make your grids work for you, not against you. And especially when they're this easy to set up, why not? I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!